In case you want to be highlighting the role you're working on, look at what I'm doing at the moment on my screen. You want to do something like this, especially if you're working with a large data set and you don't want to make a mistake. Let me show you how to do it. So you select the data, right? Select it first, then go to conditional formatting and select new rule. From new rule, we want to use a formula to determine which cells to format. So select that and you write the formula here. So the formula is equal rows, open and close brackets, equals cell, open your brackets and double quotes row, end the double quotes and close the brackets. That's all you need to do here. Then I'll click on format to choose the color that I want. So let's say I want this color, right? And then under fill, I'll say okay. That is the first step. Let's try and check if it's working. It is not, right? So let's right click on the worksheet name and then go to view code. Under view code, make sure you are not on general, change it to worksheet here, and then you will see this line and this other line, private sub and the end sub. Right in between the private sub and the end sub, you will write this target dot calculate. That's all you need to do here. Then close this, close this. Let's go back and check. Look at it. So any row you click, the entire row will be highlighted and you'll be able to carefully trace the data that you want to trace in Excel.